Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most powerful and luxurious adventure vehicles ever built, the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 Motorhome, a machine designed for those who want to travel without limits. From the outside, this motorhome looks bold and unstoppable with its massive 6x6 setup, towering ground clearance, rugged off-road tires, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular grille that gives it a true heavy-duty presence on any road or terrain. Inside, it feels like a high-end mobile home, offering a spacious and well-designed cabin with premium seating, modern digital displays, a fully equipped kitchen, smart storage spaces, a comfortable sleeping area, and a stylish bathroom made for long journeys. When it comes to performance, the Kenworth 6x6 truly stands out with its powerful heavy-duty engine, massive torque, advanced suspension system, and all-wheel drive capability that delivers confidence on highways, mountains, deserts, and off-road trails. Overall, the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 Motorhome is the perfect blend of extreme power, luxury, and adventure, built for travelers who refuse to compromise. And stay tuned because the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 Motorhome will be in the next video.